Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps on your phone or browser. This is where the GPS code originates. Search the address or long press to drop a pin exactly where you need it. Once the pin appears, tap the marker to open the info card. This reveals a coordinate string or a share button. You do this now so you capture the precise lat, long. The map's marker locks the exact point, which is why you must zoom and confirm the placement first. Once you see the coordinates, you extract the GPS code. The latitude and longitude pair like 37. 4,219,999 minus 122. 0840575. On mobile, tap Share then copy to place the exact string in your clipboard. On desktop, click the coordinate text and it copies automatically. Make sure to include the sign for longitude because positive versus negative changes hemisphere. If you need higher precision, zoom in and redrop the pin, since more decimals yield meter-level accuracy. Now you use the GPS code. Paste the lat, long into navigation apps, mapping tools, or a message to someone. The coordinates work immediately. If a system requires degrees, minutes, seconds, convert using built-in tools or a quick calculator. Otherwise, decimal degrees are widely accepted. Finally, if the coordinate seems wrong, redrop the pin, toggle satellite view to confirm landmarks, and copy again. That single recheck fixes most errors when the map placed the pin slightly off.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.